Hey, this is Rochelle and welcome to Multiple Passive Streams of Income. This tutorial will show you how to create a shipping plan on Amazon. In order to make a shipping plan, you must already have created a listing for your product or products. I will put a link to a video tutorial on how to create a product listing on Amazon in the description below. Now, you will need to obtain information from your supplier that you will need for your shipping plan. This information includes the ship from information. So you will need the name, the address, the email address, and the telephone number of the location that your product is shipping from. You will need the carton info, and that is the amount of products that will be packed into each carton, the weight of the carton, and the dimensions of the carton, which would be the length, the width, and the height. If you are air shipping or you're having your supplier do the shipping for you, ask them the courier that they're using. Ask them the lead time of your product, which is the time they expect to have your product manufactured and ready to ship. Some shippers may need the HS code, so ask your supplier for that as well. You won't need that for your shipping plan on Amazon, but if you plan to employ a shipper, you may need that code for them. The HS code is the code used by customs to identify what type of product is being shipped. Let's now go to the Inventory tab and then Manage Inventory. Select all the products you plan to ship. Notice the action on For Selected button because I selected 4 products to ship in this example. Click that button, then click Send Replenish Inventory, then click Yes, Continue. Now enter the ship from address and select individual products or case products. Individual products will be selected if you're sending a box filled with different products. You will mostly select case packed products for private labeling because you are shipping 1 SKU per carton. For this example, I will not select the global shipping service freight option. That's a new option and I haven't tried that option as of yet. So now we'll click Continue. We will need to complete all the tabs on this page to complete the shipping plan. The first tab is the Set Quantity tab. Here we will set up the quantity we are shipping to Amazon. Name your shipping plan at the top. Use something that will be meaningful to you, like the name of the product and the date. You have another chance to edit your ship from address here if you missed doing it on the previous screen. You also can change your choice between individual products or case pack products here as well. You may or may not be given the option to use your barcode. If you have the option, choosing to use your barcode will entail you create the barcode stickers to send to your supplier or have your barcode printed on your product packaging directly. Amazon will not create the labels for you if you choose this option. If you choose barcode tracking, another screen will appear to verify that this is what you want to do, and if you do, you would click Convert. If you don't use the barcode option, Amazon will create a PDF of labels for you, which you will send to your supplier to have them apply the stickers on to your products. These stickers will have Amazon-generated barcodes that are created for their warehouse logistics. You will enter the units per case, which is the amount of products the supplier will pack into each carton, and the number of cases, aka cartons, you plan to ship. So for example, if my supplier tells me that they will pack 10 products with the same SKU into a carton, I want to send 100 of each of 4 products or 4 variations to Amazon. I will enter 10 for units per case and 10 for number of cases. So that translates into 10 times 10, which equals 100 of the product. Repeated 4 times would be 400 products. If that's good, then I will click continue. Now we move to the Prepare Products tab. And here is when we are letting Amazon know if we need them to prep our products. Depending on the product you sell, you may need Amazon prepping, but most times your supplier will do the prepping. So we will select no prep needed, and we will select merchant to advise Amazon their prepping services will not be needed for our products, and then click continue. We are now on the Labels Products tab. If you are not using barcodes, you will click Print Labels for this page. This will allow you to download the PDF of product labels that Amazon creates, and you'll send that PDF to your supplier. They will print the labels on their end and apply them to your products. Since I was able to do the manufacturer barcode option in this example, I will have to create barcode labels to give to my supplier or have the barcode printed on my product packaging. Now click continue. The next tab, Review Shipments. This will allow us to verify we entered the correct number of cases, aka cartons, and units we plan to send to Amazon. This is where you will find out what warehouse or warehouses you will send your products to. This example is requiring all products are mailed to Dallas, Texas, but you may be required to send your products to multiple locations. You should also name your shipment using useful information. If everything looks good, click Approve and Continue, then work on your shipment. Now we are on the Prepare Shipment tab. Here is where we inform Amazon of the carrier we are using. We have Other selected because I am sea shipping. If you are air shipping, select the carrier your supplier is using to ship your products or that you plan to use to ship the products. Also notice the Amazon warehouse addresses on this screen. Scroll down. You will now be asked about the weight and dimensions of the cartons you are shipping. Since this example is case packed products, I selected 1 SKU per box. I also am using the web form, and I have to re-enter the amount of units packed into the carton, which was 10 for this example, the number of cartons of each product or variation, the weight of the carton, and the length, width, and height of each carton. Also notice there's a small alert that says number of boxes left 460. That alert can be ignored. It doesn't mean anything. Now click confirm, scroll down. You can change the size of the carton labels here. I never change the size, and I always use the default, which is plain paper. Enter the date you expect the products to ship. I know my products take about a month to be manufactured and ready to ship, so I always enter a date a month later. When you enter the date, you will be able to print your box, aka carton labels. You will actually just save the PDF generated by Amazon and send that PDF to your supplier. After you save that PDF, click Complete Shipment. Now we're on the Summary tab. When your products are shipped, you can return to this screen and click Mark as Shipped. If you get tracking numbers, you can return to your shipping plan and add them to this screen. Many times you will not have tracking for C shipments, so not entering tracking numbers will not mess up your shipping. The information on the carton labels will allow Amazon to receive your product and link it to your listings. Also be advised that if you mess up your shipping plan or if something changes, you can always delete the shipping plan. It doesn't mess anything up. Definitely very confusing when you first do this, and I probably had to do it like 5 times before I felt comfortable with it, just because you launch a product and you may not get back to doing another product for, several months after that. So again, this will become easier through repetition. Thanks for your time, as I know you could be any other place right now. Take care.